Good morning, Muhlenberg County. It's Wednesday again, so we're back with another library news update.
We have a lot of exciting things to talk about today, so we're just going to get right into it.
First of all, as you probably know, Halloween is this weekend. Of course, COVID is interfering with everyone's hopes and plans, but we always enjoy getting to see everyone's beautiful, fun, scary, and creative costume choices. And we don't want to miss out on that this year, so we're asking everyone to share their photos with us.
You can post in the comments on our social media pages, tag us, or send the pictures directly to us on Facebook's or Instagram's messenger services. All photos submitted will be added to a special photo album on our page, so everyone can share in the fun.
Even if you don't dress up, you can also share photos of your fall activities, decorations, or anything else you think fits. We can't wait to see your photos.
We'll also be participating in Greenville and Central City's drive-through Halloween events this year. We won't be on site at Central City's due to the nature of that event, but we did provide some goodies to be added to their treat bags.
And we will be present and passing out treats at Greenville's drive-through event at South Middle School on Saturday, so wave if you see us there.
If you don't celebrate Halloween, don't worry, we haven't forgotten about you. We have several different events and activities coming up in November, starting with NaNoWriMo.
NaNoWriMo stands for National Novel Writing Month. It's a yearly program that encourages people to challenge themselves and stretch their creative muscles. The goal is to write a novel of at least 50,000 words between November 1st and November 30th. It's a tough challenge, but you may surprise yourself.
Muhlenberg County Public Libraries has created a group on the official NaNoWriMo website so all our local authors can come together to support and cheer each other on. If you'd like to join us, just send us a message on social media or call us and we can send you a group invite.
We will need your NaNoWriMo username to send the invite, so make sure you have created an account first at nanowrimo.org. That's NaNoWriMo.org. If you have any trouble, let us know and we'll try to help.
If NaNoWriMo's 50,000 word goal seems like too much of a stretch for you, no worries, we've got you covered. Unfortunately, this next contest is limited to our younger writers, middle and high school only, but we are hosting an essay contest for those eligible students. Simply write a one-page essay about your favorite book, including a summary, why you loved it, and what it taught you.
You can submit your essays anytime during the month of November at the new contest entries form on our website. Make sure you include what grade you're currently in, because we'll be awarding a prize to one middle schooler and one high schooler.
All entries are due by 4 p.m. on November 30th.
Finally, we have one more opportunity for those of you who aren't writers. We are implementing a Book Buddy program this November. Just refer a friend to sign up for a library card in November and both you and your buddy will be entered to win a prize. This contest is open to all ages, and just make sure that when your friend signs up for their card, you have them tell the staff person at the desk that you referred them.
Even if you choose not to participate in our contests or group activities like NaNoWriMo, in November you can still take advantage of our giveaways. Free craft kits will be available next week for students in all grades, elementary through high school. Just make sure you have registered using the link in the video description. You must register by this Friday to be eligible.
Mystery kits for adults will also be available soon. Registration for those kits begins next Monday, November 2nd at 8 a.m. Supplies are very limited for those kits, so make sure you watch our social media pages for your chance to register. Only the first 20 registrations will be accepted, so when you see that show up, don't delay.
Whew. I think that's finally all the news we have to report today, but we aren't finished quite yet because we still have new materials to highlight. New materials this week include Sofie Kelly's latest Magical Cats mystery is A Case of Cat and Mouse. A popular baking TV show has started filming in the small town of Mayville Heights. The local librarian is called on as an advisor on historical facts, but when a judge turns up dead, the librarian and her magical cats must chase down the killer. Always the case. The Exiles by Christina Kline is a tale of hardship, oppression, opportunity, and hope of a trio of women in 19th century Australia. Ina Garten, who you may know as the host of Barefoot Contessa, has a new cookbook, Modern Comfort Food, featuring a wide variety of recipes for everything from chocolate cake to enchiladas. Discover a new family favorite in time for Thanksgiving. And last we have the movie The King of Staten Island from director Judd Apatow, who previously brought us Trainwreck and Knocked Up, and stars Pete Davidson of Saturday Night Live. This one may be more drama than comedy, but the unapologetically introspective, heartfelt story is a worthwhile view.
As always, you can find these items and more in the library or on our catalog online. You can come by the library to see these items in person, or you can call to make an appointment for curbside pickup.
Our current open hours are 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. on Mondays and Wednesdays, plus 1 to 5 p.m. on Tuesdays and Thursdays. We're also offering curbside service by appointment on Tuesdays and Thursdays.
And with that, that's all we have for today's What's New Wednesday update. Thank you all for watching, and we look forward to seeing all of your photos, novels, essays, and more in the coming month.
Have a great week.